Most Costco shoppers load carts with rotisserie chickens and paper towel bundles, walking straight past the highest value assets in the entire warehouse. 3 aisles over, sitting on unassuming shelves, are items costing less than a casual dinner with documented service lives of 20 to 40 years. The people who master this system don't shop more frequently. They shop less, systematically buying assets that eliminate recurring replacement costs forever. One item on this list costs under $10, has 15 distinct uses, and never expires. Here are 16 Costco buys most shoppers walk right past. Item 16, Kirkland Tri-Ply Stainless Steel Cookware Set. Standard nonstick pans have synthetic chemical coatings that scratch, flake, and force complete replacement every 2 years. Tri-Ply stainless steel is built entirely differently. A high-conductivity aluminum core permanently sandwiched between 2 thick layers of industrial stainless steel. No coating to fail. The cooking surface is solid metal itself, compatible with induction, gas, and electric. Handles extreme oven temperatures, repairable with simple abrasive polish. This single purchase eliminates the non-stick replacement trap entirely with a documented service life exceeding 30 years. If Costco's hidden inventory is already surprising you, hit subscribe right now. Item 15. Kirkland Polycarbonate Hardside Spinner Luggage. Cheap suitcases use brittle plastics that split at seams or lose wheels within 3 to 5 travel cycles, forcing a constant repurchase loop. Kirkland's polycarbonate hardside luggage uses grade A impact-resistant resins on robust 8-wheel spinner bases with TSA-approved security locks. This exact hardware specification matches premium luggage retailing at triple the price. Outside travel, these rigid, stackable shells provide moisture-resistant protective vaults for long-term storage of seasonal clothing and critical gear. One purchase lasting decades instead of years. Item 14. Kirkland USP-verified multivitamins. The supplement market is largely unregulated. Many retail brands contain significantly different dosages than their labels claim. The yellow and black USP-verified seal on Kirkland vitamins is a rigorous third-party auditing standard guaranteeing precise ingredient ratios with 0 harmful heavy metal contaminants. Costco provides these laboratory-verified multivitamins in 500-count bottles at a fraction of health boutique pricing. 2-year shelf life. Verified purity. Reliable nutritional baseline insurance for your entire household at warehouse pricing. Item 13. Kirkland Leather Palmwork Gloves. Premium industrial workwear brands charge significant premiums for gloves with identical material specifications to these. The critical strategy here is rotational protocol. Using one pair continuously in damp conditions causes leather fibers to rot within months. Buying a multi-pack and rotating pairs allows leather to dry completely between uses, extending your utility window to nearly a decade of reliable hand protection for land clearing, home repairs, and manual labor. Simple rotation system. Massive service life extension. Item 12. Kirkland Pure Sea Salt. Salt is not merely a flavor enhancer. It is one of mankind's oldest foundational food preservation tools, required for curing meats, preserving vegetables through pickling, and maintaining critical physiological electrolyte balance under physical stress. Pure sodium chloride is a stable mineral compound that cannot support bacterial growth or spoil under any circumstances. Kept in a sealed, rigid container away from pooling water, salt holds an absolute indefinite shelf life. Stockpiling at Costco's bulk pricing eliminates retail markup, while securing a foundational survival asset that costs almost nothing per pound. Item 11. Kirkland White Vinegar. Formulated to a precise 5% acidity profile, White vinegar serves as a non-toxic sanitizer, effective glass cleaner, limescale remover for mechanical appliances, and foundational acid for pickling produce. Because of its high acid concentration, distilled white vinegar is completely self-preserving, requiring no refrigeration and never losing chemical potency. Storing several gallons gives you an infinite cleaning and food preservation baseline that completely bypasses expensive chemical-heavy commercial alternatives. One of the highest utility per dollar purchases in the entire warehouse. Item 10. Kirkland Ultra Clean Liquid Laundry Detergent. Independent consumer laboratory testing consistently ranks this private label formulation in the same performance tier as top national brands using identical surfactant chemistry. The viral secret most people miss: commercial brands deliberately oversize their measuring caps to encourage overpouring, which coats clothing fibers and degrades fabrics prematurely. Run your machine with exactly half the recommended dose. You achieve perfectly clean clothes, protect your textiles from chemical buildup, and stretch one purchase across nearly 10 full months of continuous laundry cycles. Item 9. Kirkland Raw Organic Honey. Pure, unpasteurized honey contains incredibly low moisture content paired with a highly acidic pH, creating an impossible environment for bacteria or spoilage microorganisms to survive. Archaeologists have excavated Egyptian tombs containing honey thousands of years old that remains completely edible. Beyond indefinite shelf life as a calorie source, raw honey functions as a natural topical antibacterial dressing for minor wounds and a throat remedy when medical infrastructure is unavailable. If it crystallizes, place the container in warm water to return it instantly to liquid form. Item 8. Kirkland Extra Virgin Olive Oil. The global olive oil market faces rampant authenticity issues. Third-party testing reveals many retail brands dilute products with cheap inflammatory seed oils. Kirkland's supply consistently passes independent laboratory testing for absolute genetic purity. True extra virgin olive oil is packed with durable polyphenols and essential healthy fats. Kept sealed in the dark green glass bottle away from light and temperature fluctuations, it maintains full stability for up to 24 months. Decant small portions for daily use while keeping the primary supply sealed and protected from constant air exposure. Item 7. Kirkland Alkaline Batteries. Costco's private label manufacturing partnerships produce these cells within the exact same facilities, using identical chemistry specifications as top-tier national brands. Identical power delivery. Fraction of the cost. From a preparedness standpoint, high-grade power storage is critical for emergency communications, flashlights, and weather alert radios. Kept sealed in original packaging at stable room temperatures, these cells carry a manufacturer-certified 10-year shelf life. One purchase providing a solid decade of reliable drop-in energy reserves for every battery-dependent device you own. Item 6. Kirkland Food Service Plastic Wrap. This is the exact industrial-grade wrap used in commercial restaurant kitchens, equipped with a precision slide cutter, eliminating the tangling waste common with grocery store brands. Sealing food tightly before freezing shields it from moisture loss and freezer burn. Wrapping airtight glass containers with this material doubles their effective storage performance. For a typical household, this single massive box delivers nearly 3 full years of continuous food management without replacement. Commercial performance at warehouse pricing. Item 5. Kirkland Glass Food Storage Containers. Unlike plastic alternatives that warp, scratch, absorb odors, and leach microplastics into your food supply, this set uses high-grade borosilicate glass engineered to withstand thermal shock differentials of up to 165 degrees Celsius. Transition directly from freezer to hot oven without cracking. Using glass completely halts the recurring expense of replacing degraded plastic bins every 2 to 3 years. With basic, careful handling, this non-porous preservation system will outlast the kitchen it is stored in. Item 4. Kirkland Contractor-Grade Trash Bags. Most people buy cheap, thin kitchen bags and end up double-bagging every load, wasting double the plastic and double the money. Kirkland contractor bags are engineered to nearly 1.0 mil thickness using puncture-resistant flex resin. One box contains up to 200 high-tensile bags, providing nearly 2 full years of heavy utility management. Beyond waste disposal, they function as emergency drop cloths, rain covers for outdoor gear, and water-resistant transport liners. Stop double-bagging permanently. Item 3. Kirkland Pre-Cut Parchment Paper. Most consumers struggle with rolled parchment that curls and tears unevenly. This box contains flat pre-cut sheets sized perfectly for half-sheet baking pans. Parchment creates an impermeable silicone-coated barrier, preventing food from sticking, keeping cookware pristine, and eliminating the need for chemical non-stick sprays. By protecting baking sheets from direct food and moisture contact, you dramatically extend the service life of your metal kitchen hardware while streamlining every cleanup entirely. Item 2. Kirkland Heavy-Duty Aluminum Foil. Manufactured to a heavier gauge than name-brand alternatives, this foil provides extreme puncture resistance and superior thermal barriers. In a storage or emergency scenario, it constructs improvised cooking vessels, seals food containers against light and pest intrusion, creates reflective signaling arrays, and insulates exposed plumbing lines during unexpected temperature drops. Because aluminum does not degrade or corrode when stored away from direct moisture, this single roll serves as a multi-year household utility supply that never expires. Item 1. Kirkland Baking Soda. Pure sodium bicarbonate is the most versatile compounding asset in the entire warehouse. Heavy-duty non-scratching cleaning agent for stainless steel and cast iron. Aggressive odor neutralizer. Laundry performance booster. Natural pesticide residue wash for fresh produce. Effective fire suppressant for kitchen grease flares. Transferred into airtight glass storage containers in a cool, dry environment, sodium bicarbonate carries an effectively indefinite shelf life. The chemical composition remains completely unchanged 20 years from today. Rock-bottom per-pound cost. Unlimited applications. Zero expiration. Every item on this list pays for itself multiple times over by eliminating recurring replacement costs permanently. If this breakdown changed how you see your next Costco run, hit that like button and subscribe. Tell me in the comments. Which hidden Costco item do you already use in your own household? Stay smart, stay prepared,